The 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, front floor mats, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, MP3 player, passenger airbag, fog lamps, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.